Kobe.
Oh my God, Kobe!
What happened to the blinds? Huh?
Kobe!
What happened to the blinds? Why'd you do that? Huh? That was a very bad dog thing to do. That was very bad of you to do. Why'd you do that?
Kobe, why did you do that to the blinds, Kobe?
You want spankings? Huh? Why'd you do that to the blinds? Don't wag at me.
Kobe!
Kobe, come here. Come here. Come here.
Why do you keep following me, yo?
Why'd you do this?
Why'd you do this, Kobe?
Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Cole, get over here. Come on, right now.
Kobe! Look at these blinds, Cole! Why'd you do that? Kobe!
Come on, dudes. Over here. Come on. Hey. Hey. Where are you going? Hey. What are you doing?
What are you doing, dude?
It's time for punishments.
You don't even feel bad, yeah?
No.
See, this proves. I'm so glad you did this, Ted, or Kobe, because now you're a bad dog too. Do you see this? You see this, right? He's bad too now. See, Kobe, you're not perfect. Teddy's like sitting far away from the gate, like, I didn't do that. Didn't do it, did you, Ted? You were a good boy. Oh, my love.
That's the stupidest idea ever.
Oh, my love. Babe, how was I supposed to know that your dog wouldn't have any self-control? I don't think that's the dog's, actually. I think that's the cat. Ted, did you do that, Ted? Did you do that to the blinds? No, I didn't do that, Mom.
Very bad, Kobe. Very ashamed of you.
Kobe, you know what that means? That means you don't get lovin's. You get no lovin's because guess what, buddy? You're a bad boy too. Yeah. Yeah, how about them apples? You're a bad boy, Kobe.
Very ashamed of you, Cole. Very ashamed.
Can we take a second to look at Ted? I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
First time ever.
Hey, Dad, I'm a good boy, right, Dad?
Not me.
I didn't do it. He's very disturbed right now that Kobe's getting called a bad dog, though. He's like standing out here like, are they talking to me? I can't believe he destroyed these blinds, dude. Look at this. I'm very disappointed in you, Kobe. Okay, my parents are here, and we are going to make some ceviche. Say hi, Dad.
Hello.
Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
Teddy, say hi, people. My mom and dad, my dad, my grandpa and my grandma are gonna make some ceviche for me. Huh? Oh, buddy. Some ceviche. I like ceviches. The ceviche is good. Look at Troopy. What kind of fish do we have?
I don't know what kind of fish it is.
I think it's
grouper.
I think it's grouper.
It's grouper fish.
Grouper. Grouper. Ben caught this.
Yeah.
Diving.
Cilantro.
That is not store-bought. That is some fresh fish.
Come in the hot sauce. All the jalapenos, habaneros,
Hi, my love.
everything.
Are you excited for your ceviche? Here. Say hey, babe.
No more.
You don't know how to make ceviche. We're making some ceviche.
Waiting to tomorrow.
Some ceviche.
That was a little bit. It just seems to frost a little bit more.
Yeah, that's fine. It's still early, guys. It's Sunday. It's the day of rest. The day of God.
You ain't got no job.
You ain't got no job. I got like 3 jobs, okay? One is being your lovely, amazing, beautiful wife. That's my first job.
Can you get
No.
Alright, so this is everything that you need to make ceviche. You don't need rum. Alright, so you need... Alright, so we use Kirkland fine ground black pepper.
You're gonna give away the recipe?
That's what my dad says. He's like really butthurt right now that we're giving away the recipe. But that's life, you know?
You gotta have a secret, right? You gotta have a secret ingredient. You can't tell.
Yeah, okay, fine. We won't say the whole thing.
Don't tell it, yes.
Here's the we use Morton natural salt, organic garlic, 2 red onions,
Habaneros.
cilantro. We got a crap ton of limes. We're making steaks, but that's not part of ceviche.
Onion, red onion.
We got red onion right here. And then the grouper, this is grouper, right, babe?
Yeah.
I think that's hog.
Hog.
Which you want to use it hot?
And then this is, I think, a pepper.
Oh,
Red
you used it
pepper
last
and
time?
picante. I don't know what you say, how you say that in English. Alright, so watch the chef. This is the chef, Chef Mario. He's gonna go in there and get it done. Oh, for what? The ceviche?
No, titos, para mí.
Oh! I'm like, what? She takes shots when she's cold. That's the secret. That's what she just said. I'm like, you're gonna put ceviche liquor?
My sister,
Loose.
my sister, she put 1 chocolate. She passed out.
That's why they keep it cold in the bar. So
Mom, that's not gonna taste good. That's warm.
No, la Juana me dio la pasada, no. Nada, al contrario, no hiciste.
Ahí, Mom.
Hasta ahí no.
Mom, you're gonna take that whole thing. That's not gonna taste good. It's not gonna look at her like a boss. Like a boss.
That's a
Ugh.
warm vodka.
Oh, warm vodka. Alright, so you cut the fish any particular way that you have to cut the fish?
Really, I like small pieces,
Okay.
little squares.
Okay. Little baby squares. Little pieces of fish.
Fish.
How do you say that, Beth? Fish. Gordito pantalones. Hi, gordito pantalones. He's like, Grammy, do you have anything to eat?
Come on.
He's like, what are you gonna give me to eat? Dude, this is why he always loves her. She gives him food.
No, that's
Teddy, you just had a huge piece of pizza.
bread. That's it, bread.
This is why he's fat, Mom. This is why he's overweight. Grandma comes over and feeds him everything. And we come back to the sweetest boy of all the land and hearties and saucies. Teddy, why is it that I turn the camera on and you get camera shy too, dude?
They're all Leos.
They're all Leos. That's true. My dad's a Leo, my husband is a Leo, and my dog is a Leo. Okay, so then, what are you doing now?
Habaneros.
Okay, habaneros. ¿Cómo se dice eso en inglés?
I don't know, con chili sauce,
What
right?
do you call those in English?
Habaneros.
Everybody knows jalapeño, ¿no ve?
No, jalapeno is Mexico. Mexico,
It's a
Mexico.
habanero.
Habanero.
Mario,
Yeah.
esto es jalapeño, ¿no sé?
No.
Mario.
It's a habanero.
Esto es habanero, ¿no?
It's
No, habanero
very-
es el amarillo.
It's a pepper.
Habanero es
Pepper.
It's a pepper.
It's a hot pepper.
It's a hot pepper
No,
though.
Mario,
Really
el
hot.
esto es jalapeño.
Okay, and you cut them really small like
Really
that.
small.
Okay. Really small.
They are two different over there. And this is another kind of chili.
Okay.
That's rocoto from Peru.
That's rocoto, guys. I don't know what that is in English, but
That's
that's
how
what.
I don't know how to name
How do you say rocoto in English, babe?
Rocoto. Rocoto.
Red pepper, right?
Maybe red
Like a-
pepper.
Rojo?
No, espérate, déjame ver.
Okay, here we go. This is what it is, guys. Some of this. Yeah, it's red pepper.
Rocoto, yes, rocoto, red
But it's from
pepper.
Peru.
From Peru,
And we get that at the bodega.
What is la bodega?
I don't know where you
That's
guys
not
are gonna find a
Spanish-
bodega.
Spanish grocery.
It's a Spanish grocery store, but they call it la bodega, so. Gordito pantalones. Alright, so, so far,
This
we
is
got
cilantro.
fish, and we got the peppers, and now we cut the cilantro.
Just the leaves.
Cilantro. Take out the leaf part, like that.
Right.
Okay,
I want to cut it really small pieces.
okay. It wasn't, my dad makes the best ceviche. Then we've had ceviche everywhere.
Everywhere, right?
Everywhere.
We had it in
Dominican and it was good.
Tasted
Yeah, it
just
was
like
good.
his, almost.
Almost. Alright, so then you cut the cilantro small like that too.
Yeah, really small.
Alright, how many lemons, Dad?
Let me see how juicy they are. It'll depend.
Mom knows where everything is in my kitchen because she's the only one that cooks here. I don't do that. I don't live that life. This is my mom's kitchen, cause she's the only one that uses it. I don't use it in here.
How many times a year Monica cooks? Be honest.
There.
That's not true. I make some things sometimes. Like I make cookies and I make cake.
You make cake.
And I make white chicken chili.
She makes the batter and eats it all.
Yeah, I do that too. I make white chicken chili and I make some stuff. I make tacos.
What about Ben?
Ben makes everything.
Cooks?
Yes, he cooks.
Wow, baby.
Yeah, my mom got me new pots and pans for Christmas, but pretty much she got herself pots and pans for Christmas. Gordito pantalones.
Monica, squeeze only. Monica, look.
They dance. Babe, look. This is why he's her favorite person. This is why he loves her.
Vamos a bailar la mecedora.
He's like, Grammy, that's how we roll. That's how we roll, Grammy. Show everyone how we dance, Grammy. All right, how much pepper do you put in?
Mike, can you check it?
So that pepper.
Half a little teaspoon.
Okay.
That's what I already put in there. Lime, al gusto. ¿Cómo se dice gusto?
For your preference, how many limes did you put in there, though?
I already am squeezing. I'm not finished yet.
So you squeezed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so you put the lemon. He puts it in the lemon
Just
squisher.
squeeze it. Just half.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it. No more than that.
Okay.
Porque si lo aprietas demasiado,
Sale amargo.
bitter, right?
Yeah, if you press it too much, it comes out sour because you know how lemons are.
Yeah.
But he put in, so you don't squeeze the whole thing, just like half of it. And then what did you do? Salt? The Morton salt? And then how much of the Morton salt did you put in there?
Al gusto. ¿Cómo se dice al gusto?
Al gusto.
Yeah, man.
Whatever your preference, but they don't know. See, this is the problem, guys. They don't do measurements. They just kind of like, they wing
we
it.
taste it all the time while we're cooking. Oh, garlic.
Okay, so then you mixed in the cilantro and the pepper. And now he's putting in like a, what was that? Like a teaspoon of garlic.
Right.
All right. It smells so good. It smells so good.
I prefer fresh, like a sushi. Just I pour the lime on top and wait on 30 seconds and I eat it.
Okay.
Some other prefer to cook.
No, like this. How do you know when this is ready? La lemon. It depends, yeah. It depends on what kind of flavor you have.
It's not spicy enough.
Yes.
Sometimes the people like a sushi. Some people prefer to stay for 2 hours and eat it later. No, papi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me try with my beer.
Let me try it with my beer.
See?
Yeah, it's good. That's spicy,
What
Dad.
it tastes? It's too spicy?
That's spicy. I think I ate the pepper. Oh. Oh. That was like pure pepper.
No more. That's enough.
So then you pour it in there.
Yes.
And then, see, like this is a small portion. This is like what, maybe like 4 to 5 people portion.
Yeah.
It's only
like an
us,
appetizer, you know?
Yeah.
Ceviche really is an appetizer.
Yeah. Yeah, ceviche is like an appetizer. And then he goes in there and he mixes it all together. All right, so then he grabs the fish or the shrimp that was in the sink, defrosting. And you just throw it on top like that. No le sacas la... No. Okay. Yep. And he goes in. And you mix
Un
it.
ceviche de pescado, fish and shrimp.
Fish and shrimp. And then we go here.
The onion.
Onion. Okay. ¿Cómo se corta?
Always use a red onion.
Yeah, red onion has more flavor.
Just cutting slices.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Perfect.
And rinse with water.
Okay, to get out the onion taste.
Right.
All right.
Let us sit it for
How long do you let it sit for?
a few seconds.
Okay.
Monica, he's crazy. Look at that.
I don't know. He goes through things. Sometimes he's hyper and then he just like, I think it's because the camera's on.
Oh.
He doesn't like the camera. The onion's ready, so you let the onion soak for a minute. And then you throw them on top.
We're supposed to do potato and sweet potato.
Yeah, you can have baked potato or sweet potato, but we didn't make
Just
that.
like that.
Yeah.
Fast ceviche, quick, ready in 20 minutes, half hour.
Yeah, that didn't even take that long. That was like maybe 15 minutes. And then, yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you make the ceviche. Simple.
You want to try?
Yeah, I want to try. It's good.
You see our trouble now?
Hey, Dad, do you think that I can eat too, guys? Cause I like some ceviche, Dad. Dad, I love you. And then the chef Ben comes in to make the steaks.
I put my
You gotta play with your meat.
White chef.
He's the white boy chef.
I'm a grill master.
The grill master. His grill situation. I've never used this one day, guys. We got a little kegerator up in here too. Get it ready, bae. You think you can handle this meat?
Don't be weird.
Ate some ceviche, and you know you're Peruvian when? How do you know you're Peruvian, babe? How do you know you're Peruvian when you eat ceviche?
Oh, you slurp it down like that?
You eat the lemon. That's the best part.
This one, you can wear the whole day before the 30 you don't feel bad.
So good. I could just like sit here. So good.
Está rico, ¿no?
Uh-huh.
Salió bien rico. Rapidito, 20 minutes. Nothing better than fresh.
That's how you know. Do you like to read? Go to Amazon.com, search M. Robinson, and follow me. All 14 of my books are free on Kindle Unlimited.